Getin lamka Daily News Direct Sagi March sang ni som ni panga sintom ni ngai tha le tu te zo si chibai simtu pa hoi vai phe chanchin la khom te YBSI pum block on na beti bachao beti parao lopna football match final Share Campus New Mata International Women's Day matna chanchin kim zo ngai thai tiu YBA General Headquarter chun thupuk na sa golin tuni sonung dang ni inside pumpon sai pum YBA block hon na ala nei we sai pum YBA block sunga hin YBA unit nga uma phai khathang YBA sai pum YBA mol kot YBA sum tuk phai YBA le tui kham YBA unit te hiu conductor in pu ke chung ex president YBA kangwai block apanga 8 sangpi president YBA General Headquarter in holim na le chi khom YBA unit taking in til khona thu cha gen in election commission pu PG David in election hunma pui hi tunia ki telna tel tin thaka te hin sang ni som ni panga ki pat som ni paget chan vai poding hiu tel tin thaka te chu hiule pu mang lun lal YBA phai ko thang unit a hi pu mang min thang YBA tui kham unit a hiu amau te hin ni som panga sung nge cabinet ahung ki sim do ding hi dan YBA dan bu chun thuti mala hi Churchanpur district sunga beti bachao beti parao kum so mating lopna to kitona thumbe channa football ala chu tuni March Direct Sagi sang som ni panga da nga la kimin JP Leisure Turf Pearson munin hi final ki helna masangin third place ding ki helna Hill Academy FT le PLL Girls te para ki helwe amau ki helzo in final ki helna sports outreach le the children team te patin hi athum vechanna football hi district administration gongal nanoya hi
Team's objective is to promote women freedom, equal opportunities and ensure that they get their rightful opportunities in our society. In the part of 10-year program, we have seen lot of improvement in women participation socially, politically and even economically. This program highlights the progress and also gives us an opportunity to ensure that the same progress is continued in a better way and ensure a society where girls and boys are treated equal and better.
JMA General Headquarter Malatna, Tarik 2 March, Sapat Tarik Guk March, Sang Isom ni Panga Chanday ding, Evangelical Week Hun Alaki Gotso, Loting Takin Zani Chun Matzo Hitak Dan, JMA General Headquarter to so to Natak Lang here. Ziwun Sungahin, Only Grace Home, Patin to Akipol Home Na, Event Lianding Wite Patin Nei Nalauma, Only Grace Home in Mates Day, Tagawlam Nasaka Chop Na Akidong Hitin, JMA to so to Natak Lang here. Nam dam na ding ti thupi manga VWA in VPC complex VCC hall gongal na ala simcho loting takin alamang zawe mipi adia ka vai phe nu te nam dam na ding ngai kho ka chi khom te cho tam taka hi banon pastor le upa khen katin le ji hun mang ding achun atai khomu ki pol khom na nun takin hun amang oi ji hun achun nu kengsi in ki pol khom na ma puya Reverend El Khub Boy vai phe chairman VIM in hun Thiên số na ala nei hi ki pak thu gen na le hun kha pau chap na in hun lamang zo we Central Industrial Security Force CISF in asom nga le guk be Raising Day RTC Arakonam Chennai Tamil Nadu muna kimat na chun El Kaimin Lun Haukip Senior Commandant CISF in anasep hoi ziken police medal ala kisan hi Sule amahi kum sang ni som ni kum le DIG promotion modin hin de ki gen hi Thado Students Association General Headquarter in United Kuki National Army UKNA in Thado in PTIM le puitu te chunga bawna abolna chungon demna thu sobol oi TSA thu pon chun again na a TIM in meitei te pangin community chum te tok ke cham ding doya panalak jinglai in zigula UKNA in thu so abol hi demna sang tak akineya mabana zigul thu so bol lo ding le ki het thim lo na te le athu again fel zing in chil na bola chule president rule jinglai a hi to kitona chamna su se thei ding te chunga action la ding in TSA spokesperson Vicky Thado thu pon chun ta lang hi Sir Campus New Matamunin Tony March Sarik Sagi Sang Som ni Panga Sonung da Khatlaki Mapatin International Women's Day Matna hi Zihuna hun vaptu in Zamkhol Ching Project Coordinator Panga Vai Don Thu Genna le Vai Gun ki Matna Chunga Holimna KS Chair Vai Pay President Sharing Anea Vai Gun ki Patna ding in Chacha Nehru Bal Bhawan CNBBT Patin Aja Prabhu Ti la Sakna hi Zizo Chun Functional President Chingai Don Chairperson CWC Chirchan Purapat in Holim Nauma Special Item Grace Girls Hostel Apat Umzoin Chacha Nehru Bal Bhawan CNBB School Apat Ningkum Sang ni Som ni Palia Class 10 Literal Pass Mini Class 10 Akim Neichung Daughter of Let Khosei Haukiple Class 12 M Lenvina Kom Daughter of M Kim Boy Kom Te Kianga Award Piek Dok Naum here Zizo in guest of honor apang Major Yadu Krishnan Adjutant 37 Assam Rifles le Hoibeti Principal VK Tonahai apat in Holim Nauma CNBBT apat Namlamet Sak Naum here Zizo Tun Sherin Milap apat Fan Adol Teo Meitei Gal Zika Posal Thi Meitai Misagi Te Kingin Financial Assistant Piek Na Nei Oi Sherin Milap Nuya Meitai Sagi Financial Piek Teo Cho Hi le Hoi Khonem Waifo Flet Lal Zathang Kamu Tang Nuam Niang Boy Vai Pay Waifo Flet Lam Nei Kam Elias Kambem Vai Pay Salam Patong Hol Hoi Niang Waifo Flet Soi Tin Kam Bi Pai Nuam Niang Doi Ting Waifo Flet Kam Lal Lien Kang Vai Kim Nun Hoi Waifo Flet Khol Min Thang Ke Kot Lien Esther Waifo Flet Jam Khogin Vai Te Bi Pai Cham Le Thiam Hoi Chong Elias Boise Waifo Flet Lal Din Thang Hau Khon Te Hiu CNBBT apat Ombio Lam et Sakna Umzoin Chief Guest apang Colonial Vijay Singh Alawat Sena Medal Commandant 37 Assam Rifles apatin Holim Na here Colonial Vijay Singh Alawat in Holim Na chun lam ka kosung hi munnop tak hi dana gena Tuni International Women's Day ahi to kitona numeite le posalte bol chan le posalte tun theina chan tung thei ahi dan again here chule share Chacha Nehru Bal Bhawan apat na pangte lekha simna lam hi hele munchuma lekha simna ding ahi lo le sepna muthakte china ding lenna ahi lo le gari bhara lama boina neite ke thupi ding man saw mahi dan le again here hun top na ding in ki pa thu gen na pumsian assistant coordinator in anei here
now pang taka dinga lungkham lungngaya ki ngai siat the a hi la ya zikul platform in khat theina ding lala cmp ku panla lak teu hi I share te hi tale CWC te ama sa penin I kapak chat na thil thu hi tale ai lo le ka hong ki pak pi le e ka doi sakna ka wak gen masak ki thi hen lang nu meila hi ze ka nang la nim zok na ding le nu meila hi ze ka la aim in life la thil tu la mol solo na ding bang ma lo ei ti ama sa penin he pot leo chon ka uta
go out in this open world and work and make a name for yourself. Each one of us, we want to be admired, we want to not be just anybody, we want to be something, to be looked at, to be identified, and that's something that is a very big challenge in our society for women. Establishment who has done well in their studies or they want to pursue higher education or have got a job offer anywhere in the country, I assure you that my unit and Assam Rifles as a whole will not allow small things like airfare or some initial fees or something like that to get in the way of progress. We will foot that bill. And if there is any capable child who wishes to explore and further play with the horizons that this country has to offer, we'll always be. We are literally next door to you and you can always come to us and we'll also be coming here to help you all.
Tuni March Tarik Sagi Sang ni som ni panganin Bethesda Khanko Foundation ni ko hi to kitonin Dr. Jelam Boy Haukipin KKL Pharmacy ading in damdoi chum pi do na ne hi Bethesda Khanko Foundation Trust in IDPS te gel khok na zia ka ke thu pi na damdoi te hi KKL khutin tam ve takle alapetawa chule moltam bil sunga IDPS te ading in le damdoi le adang dang le alapiu hi COVID na lian la in le district hospital le CMO mat ding in washing machine le refrigerator le alapiu hi tuni Tarik Sagi March sang ni som ni panga singkal da soma patin Bethesda Academy munin khan khodei mat na hi zihu na hin chief guest in Khai Kohau Gangte General Secretary Kukin P Manipur KIM apanga guest of honor in Jangmang Haukip Vice President Kukin P Manipur KIM apang hi khan khodei ki mat sunga hin student te le teacher te patin holim na uma khanko in picture T2P manga drawing competition uma chule khanko and peaceful coexistence T2P essay writing competition hi Tangphai Presbyterian Church of India Provisional Synod Thingkeu ko chu ma poina noya jing March Tarik Gate sang ni som ni panga sunung da som pani le hen kholien in Thingkeu muna famta pu dam zakap le pi kholman he jingna sung pu honna vai gonum dinga hi ziu na hin puitu in upa kailem mon pangintin thugen na ko chumte intek te pa pu te le nu pu te patin umintin fuina tu chagen na Pastor S Gendian Pau in church munpi Pastor Will apat umintin chule hun khak na len kung lat na tul sung upa manno in nei dinga hi tangmul Christian khanglai Paul Khuga Sadar Presbytery Gungal Nanoya March Tarik Somni Pakukapat Somni Pakusung Tangmul Volleyball Court Mona Inter-Village Night Volleyball Tournament dinga hi entry fee hile cheng sang zanga hi dinga hi Zi tournament a first prize si cheng sing khat sang nga hintin chule second prize si cheng sang nga hi dinga hi thu chen het be num ten contact number 76309602 le 8787657429 na ke thu het pi jing thei dinga hi
Looking for a fresh new look? Or just a break from the everyday hustle? Welcome to Get In Lanka Unisex Salon, where style meets relaxation. Whether it's a stylish haircut, a soothing spa, or a refreshing facial, we've got you covered. Get pampered by our experts in a space that's all about you. Step in stressed. Walk out confident. Get In Lanka Unisex Salon, your go-to for style and self-care. Book your appointment today and feel the difference.
Thado in PTI Manipur le Meitei Alliance Ten Tuni March Tarik Sagi Sang ni som ni panga in peaceful and harmonious coexistence in Manipur T2P manga meeting anei to kitonin joint press statement so do koi zi joint press statement a kimudung zuyen Manipur bitna dinga zat le nam chum umte ki za tu chit ding Manipur hi na dik tak Meitei het pina bola National Register of Citizen NRC update bolding Manipur scheduled tribe list apat any cookie tribe lak dok ding thado in pi Manipur pan lak na dop sang ding le thado hi cookie hi lo dan het pina bolding ti hi zi meeting a hin M James thado President TI Manipur in ma puya sagol sem dira mani in Meitei Alliance ma pui hi zi joint statement a hin Meitei Alliance apat retired Major Arcade Jhal Jetle M James Thado President Thado in P Manipur in soy kai hi Tuni Board of Secondary Education Manipur noya class 10 exam tu zo in alom ta hi Manipur Meitei gal zika aboina na satak laka khanglai tam tak le khasim na suboi khopa igam magal ala tamale student te exam the hung ban u zo thei dinga naw chunga hin ikipak tak zatu hi ji kom kala chon school khen khata school naw pang khen khat exam ki pak pi hil kilom takin lampi pa ma ki hon sol muding social media in hum viral hi tu ni ki pat ji gola free takanaw pang ten hin ku hung mat pat ole tunung le exam suti hi sunga hin bangol tokin khosung te in hung pasadi muti hi lunggel kham tak hi exam result sok ma college kai hun kit ma nu le pa ten naw pang te hi a thei ham chun skill training khat back in khum lutin hun mat sak lew hin naw pang te lam de pui tu hi ding hiu chon chin la khom te YBSI kum block hon na beti bachao beti parao lop na football match final share campus new mata international women's day mat na tuni adinga getin lamka daily news ngai thak theili thei ji chan hi ngai tha le entute zo si nom le mang pha